AIE. I am ready to assist you. Please let me know what specific topic, task, or question you would like to work on, and I will get started immediately. AI responses may include mistakes.
Mistakes. Learn more. I am preparing to install senior apps of Android cell phones and change settings for the same, in case something goes wrong, or complaints. How do I create a restore point on the phones, so I can return them to the same state if possible? Android does not have a single system restore point feature like Windows. The closest equivalent is manually forcing a Google One backup immediately before you begin, which saves your app data, call history, and settings to the cloud. For a true undo button that restores the exact home screen layout, icons and widgets, if the senior user dislikes the changes, you must also export the launcher settings of their current home screen app. Google Cloud Backup Samsung Smart Switch Launcher config. How to create a manual restore point. Since you cannot create a system snapshot, you must layer 3 different backups to ensure you can revert the phone to its exact previous state. 1. The system safety net, Google One. This is your primary defense. It saves the list of installed apps, Wi-Fi passwords, and system settings. Action. Go to Settings, Google Backup. Critical step. Tap Backup now and wait for the progress bar to complete. Verification. Ensure the timestamp under last backup says 0 minutes ago. 2. The interface snapshot, home screen. Installing senior apps often involves replacing the launcher, the home screen interface. If the user complains and wants their old phone back, Google Backup rarely restores the exact icon arrangement perfectly. Action. Long press a blank spot on the current home screen settings. Look for backup layout, export settings, or save configuration. Storage. Save this file to Google Drive, not just the phone's internal storage, so it survives a reset. 3. The deep backup, PC Mac required. If you want a near-perfect image of the phone, photos, heavy files, and complex app data, without relying on the cloud, use a wired connection. For Samsung, use Smart Switch on a PC. It creates a literal file on your computer that can overwrite the phone's state later. This is the closest thing to a Windows restore point. 4-pixel Motorola. Connect to a PC via USB and manually copy the DCIM, pictures, and download folders to your desktop. Senior setup strategy. When installing senior mode apps, like Big Launcher or Senior Safety Phone, you are technically installing a new home app. You can switch between the senior view and the standard view without deleting anything. 1. Install the senior launcher. Download your chosen interface, e.g., Big Launcher or Bald Phone. When you press the home button, the phone will ask you to choose a default. 2. Select just once. First crucial. When prompted, select the new senior app and tap just once, not always. Let the user try it for 10 minutes. If they hate it, pressing home takes them back to safety. 3. The emergency exit strategy. If you set the senior app as default and need to revert, swipe down from the top to access settings. Go to Apps, Default Apps, Home App. Switch back to the original launcher, e.g., One UI Home or Pixel Launcher. The original layout will reappear instantly. Quick comparison. Senior interfaces. Big Launcher, high contrast, massive buttons. Best for severe vision impairment. Hides the complexity of Android completely. Standard easy mode. Samsung only. Go to Settings, Display easy mode. Enlarges system fonts and icons without installing third-party apps. Easiest to undo. AI responses may include mistakes. Learn more.